Opening Excel. Launch Microsoft Excel by clicking on its icon or searching for it in the Start menu. The Excel application will open, displaying a blank worksheet. Creating a new workbook. Go to the File tab located in the top corner of the Excel window. Click on New to open the new workbook window. Choose a template if desired, or select a blank workbook to start from scratch. Saving workbook. Go to the File tab. Click on Save to open the Save dialog box. Choose the location where you want to save the workbook. Enter a name for the workbook in the File Name field. Select the desired file format. Click Save to save the workbook. Opening the workbook. Go to the File tab. Click on Open to open the workbook. Select the file you saved recently. Change font size. Select the font which you want to change. Go to Font Group. Select Font Size box or the button to decrease or increase the font size. To change the font type, select the box and choose the font type what you want. Bold, italic or underline the font. Change font color. To change the font color, select the font color box and click on your favorite color. That's it.